mystery box that I'm really excited about, and it's about Disney Crossy Ride. So let's open it. Wow, we've got the new mini figurines 7-pack. We've also got 4 mini figurine blind boxes to open. Now let's open it. This little blind bag here had all of these stands in for all of the characters. Let's take a closer look at the characters. You get Woody, Simba, Buzz as well. We get Mickey, Baymax, Hero, and we also get Clarabelle. Moo! This is what they look like with their stands. Clarabelle and Hero are both exclusive to the 7-pack. You also get this handy collector's guide. Now we're going to open the mystery boxes. We got Pete, and he's a rare. And now for the next box. We got Minnie. Now box number 3. This one feels big. We got Simba. Now the last box. We got Goofy. I'm really glad that they came out with a collectible series of this because I love playing the game with my brother and I'm a really big fan of it. I love this series because the characters are really cute and they came with these stands and they look just like they do in the game. So I'm going to give this a 5 out of 5. See you guys next time on ToysWorld.